Hello, Adam. Nice to see you again during this heat wave. It's still
Hello.
happening.
It's heat wave number 2.
So, if I was a person that saved up a deposit but couldn't quite afford to buy a house, are there any government-backed schemes that can help me out?
There are some government-backed schemes that might be able to help you out. We've talked previously about low deposit mortgages. We've also talked about shared ownership mortgages. There are a number of schemes that the government runs every now and then to try and encourage banks, building societies, builders, developers, estate agents to be able to sell to those that might not ordinarily be able to afford to get on the housing ladder by the normal standard means. So we've got things like the right to buy, where if you're a council tenant, you might be able to buy the property from the local authority. There are lenders and mortgages available for that. Again, we've talked previously about shared ownership, which is like a part buy, part rent scheme. So there's a mortgage payment, you own half the house, and you're renting the other half from a housing association. And there's also the mortgage guarantee scheme, which is where the banks are lending at a lower with a lower deposit, typically 5% deposits, and the bank is then lending you the other 95%. And what the government has done in the background is that they have almost reassured the banks that if there's any fundamental loss further down the line, that they will ensure that the banks don't lose any money on that. So it's given a few of us that only have a smaller deposit, not quite got that 10% deposit, only got that 5%. It does allow people to get themselves onto the property ladder. So if you're considering any options about buying a home, if you're a council tenant at the moment, or if you're looking at shared ownership properties, we do have access to an unrestricted range of mortgages. We've got a huge amount of experience helping people like you get themselves onto the property ladder. We can discuss all your options in full. Just give us a call on 0121 323 4999.
Thank you very much, Adam.